It's the only thing that's ever like worked for me as it falls. Hello. Today I'm doing something totally different. I'm actually doing a new hair tutorial with the new, I don't think it's new, but it's the NuMe, NuMe wand. I love to use the wand. Oh, it's hot. I love to use this so much more than the traditional curling iron because it actually works better for me. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Everyone does it different, so that's just how it is. And I'm going to show you how I do it right now. It comes with a handy glove, which really is helpful. I mean, I sometimes just piece it off with clips, but for the sake of time, I don't really feel like it. And then I'm going to just wrap it around. So this is mostly for like beach waves. Just some beach waves, put your hands through it. Hairspray. Again, let me preface. I am so hair lazy, but this wand has made it super easy for me to be able to do it in like 10 minutes. How long was that? That was like 5 minutes. Happy about this little wand. I got it in my FABFITFUNBOX or FABFITFUN. I will put my link down below if you want to look into that. That is it's a quarterly thing. So you get like every winter, spring, summer, fall. And this one was actually in the discount thing. So I got it for like 10 bucks. It was like 70% off for FABFITFUN. So I love it. I think it is totally worth it. You can also get it on Amazon. I will link that down below as well. And if you want to see my makeup tutorial, I'm going to post that down below as well. Or not down below. I'm going to post that in my videos. So I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.